let's do a step-by-step cake decoration. So first we put a sticker so that the board doesn't move. Put the board on. We're making a cookie paradise or a cookies and cream cake. So it's a chocolate cake with cookies and cream Oreo frosting. This one's vegan. Make sure the frosting is soft but it doesn't fall. Fill up your bag 3/4 so you have enough space to hold the bag. Cut the tip around an inch or an inch and a half. Take gloves on. So you put a little dollop of buttercream, and then you take your cake round. We make sure the round is cold or frozen because it's easier to decorate the cake, and also that way you don't get cake crumbs in the cake while frosting the cake. This is nice and stable. If you follow these steps, it's going to be super easy for you. If you're a beginner, if you're learning how to decorate a cake, just follow these steps step by step and should be good. You just make a border around. You can fill it up with whatever flavors you would want so that it doesn't leak out while you're decorating. You fill it up, smoothen it, make sure that it's nice and flat so the top layer sits well. The flat layer needs to be on the top. You layer it. Now it's the front part. So you need to use the turntable and not go around the cake yourself. Fix a spot at the bottommost part of the cake and just move the table around and gently press. So you have 1, 2, 3. That's it. You just need 3 layers. Then you need some extra frosting on the top. Flatten the top. Okay, make sure it's nice and smooth. Always keep the frosting container next to you so you can clean your spatula. Now for the sides, you can use the spatula, but it may give your cake a little, it may taper it, so you can keep this flat. Again, use the turntable and turn this around. Make sure that everything is nice and smooth. If you see an extra bulge anywhere, clean it, but don't keep going round and round and round, otherwise in order to make it perfect it's going to take forever. Do it once, and if it's good enough, that's it. If there are any spaces like this, just take a little bit of buttercream, put it up there, and again smoothen it out so you have nice smooth sides. And then use the same spatula, clean the base of the cake so that way you don't waste a lot of buttercream and the cake board is nice and clean to hold. Okay, if there's any extra, take a little paper towel, just clean the base. Don't forget that this is the turntable. The table needs to move. You don't need to move. The table moves. That's it. Now for the top. This needs to be clean. Swipe it in. Clean. swipe it in, clean. Keep it flat, don't keep it at an angle, keep it flat. Actually, you need to keep it at like an inward angle so you can take the frosting. There. We have this is a vegan cake, by the way. So this cake that I'm making, it doesn't have any dairy, no eggs, no butter, nothing, none of that. Okay, it's got a nice smooth cake. Now this is how we usually decorate it at Cupcake Paradise. So for the top, we make vanilla swirls. So we make 8 of them. So you do one on the top, one on the bottom, one on each side. So it's like a plus sign, and then you just make one in the middle. So that way it's nice and centered. Then you put and you cut Oreos into halves. So just take it. Just take it. I don't know if you guys can see. Just take it. Put the knife right in the middle and hit it. Then you got your Oreos. You can put them on top of the white. You can put it in the middle. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now for the bottom, we have Oreo crumbs. Yeah, vegan Oreo crumbs, regular, like you have it in a separate container, so you can use different crumbs for regular cake, for regular cookies and cream cakes, for vegan cookies and cream cakes, and for the gluten-free one, so there's no cross contamination. And that's it. There you go. There you have your vegan cooked paradise. Eat it, slice it, do whatever you want. This is so that the cake sticks to the base and it doesn't move. If any of you is learning cake decorating, and if you have any questions, if you want me to show you some decorative techniques or something, please comment, let me know in any way, and we can make more videos on that. Bye.